welcome back to my channel. It's fave. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. So today I'm doing my second maybe wig review because I just started getting into human wigs. I was wearing like synthetic wigs way too much, and they were basically being like all matted and not good after a week or so. So I'm like, I'm tired of like wasting money on synthetic wigs. I want to start investing in my hair again. So I started buying human wigs. So I want to show you guys my, well, this is like maybe my second, maybe, wait. Well, I have bought a human wig before, but it was like the ones that were on the mannequins in my local beauty store. And they were giving me a discount just because I was buying it used. So this is like the first brand new human wig that I've ever bought. So I'm really excited about it. I was shopping at HairSoFly. I love that website, and they're actually really quick with their shipping as well. And I got, they actually were out of stock of the color that I originally bought, and they were so nice and emailed me and asked me for, they were so nice and emailed me and asked me if I wanted another color or just a refund. So I thought that was really nice to do. But yeah, I've had great experiences shopping through that website. It's very easy to navigate. I like it. I will continue to shop that store for my wig. So let's get into the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you like beauty, fashion, lifestyle, travel content. We do it all over here, so don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and let's get into it. Your wig is like so nice when it comes in this really nice packaging. So I'm like, this is the fanciest packaging for a wig that I've ever gotten in my life. So I'm really excited. So I got the Outre, the Daily Wig. It's 100% unprocessed human hair. I'm really excited. I got the color natural black. I originally wanted I think natural brown, but they were out of stock in it, so they sent me this color. Super excited. It's super, oh my gosh, people are so rude. It was kind of expensive, like it was $1.99. Yikes. But I feel like I was wasting so much money on like synthetic wigs. Those were like $50 each for like a cute style. So I'm like, let me just invest because this will last me like forever, hopefully. I was actually in a beauty supply store maybe like a couple of weeks ago, and I was talking with a girl there, and she said she actually, this is her favorite style of wig in this brand, and she so that it lasts her a long time. She was dyeing it a lot, so that's why she had to buy a new one. But she said this is a great starter like human wig. If you're trying to get into buying human wigs, this is a good place to start. It's not super expensive and it's good quality, so I'm really excited. So let's open it up. I love this packaging. It's so rich. Look at that. I love it. It matches my makeup today. So pretty. Fancy unboxing. Wear me on the daily. Pretty. That is, I'm sold. Oh my gosh, it does come in blonde. They didn't have blonde on the website. I would definitely gotten the blonde because I'm actually hoping I can dye this or give it like some blonde highlights. This is it. Let me cut. What's my scissors? How it looks. I'm gonna cut this off. This is the wig. It's 26 inches. So nice. It's the inside of the lace. I love when wigs have this thick band. It just makes it more secure and easier to put on the wig and more comfortable. Love the color. I used to wear jet black hair up until maybe I was like 25 or 26, and I started wearing blonde, and I've been obsessed with blonde ever since. I want to definitely give this some highlights. This is so pretty. Look at this hair. It's good quality. And this is the little card. So cute. I cannot wait to play with this. Let me cut this off. pretty. So inside has the 2 clips here. These clips are kind of big. Clips here, the 1 clip in the back, but if you're using this, it kind of keeps it secure, so you don't really have to. I like that it has kind of the weft here is kind of tucked under, so that way if you're like the hair is blowing back, it doesn't look wiggy if the wind is blowing. So let's try this on. And then that's the part. Definitely want to like use your concealer and, you know, just kind of make that look natural. Get like a concealer that's your color. So let's try this on. It's a little snug. My head is big though. I have a big ass head. Ooh. Why does that look kind of tall right there? I feel like it looks like the wig is like tall. Oh my gosh. Why do I feel like it looks weird? Let me get a, why does that look like that? It makes my head look kind of big. I don't know. I don't know. I don't like how this looks right here. It looks very wiggy. And I do have one of their other wigs. Like I have the bob, and I got that. It was at my local beauty supply. It was one of their like display wigs. So like I got it for like $20, I think. And I don't know, the hairline did not look like this on that wig. So I'm gonna see if I can play with this to look a little better. Right now, I'm kind of like, I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can play with this. I'm gonna see if I can style it, because I don't know, I'm getting like Professor Snape vibes with how this looks right now. So I don't know. I'm a little disappointed because this wig was like $200 and I don't love it. So yeah, let's see if we can, you know, do something, because yeah, I'm a little mad right now. I'm not showing it, but I'm kind of mad. Okay, so we're in my bathroom. I'm gonna see what I can do, because I am not loving this wig. Now that I kind of like tilted it a little to the side a little bit, it looks a little better. I think if I do, you know, the concealer in the middle and on the part, and just make it look natural that way, I think it'll look better. I was not feeling that when I first put this wig on, but I think, okay, now I'm kind of seeing something. I'm seeing something now. So let's do the concealer and see how that does. So I'm going to use some Fenty concealer. This is the shade 410. And I just got like a little flat head brush. We're going to just put like a little on my hand like that. And then just put it . Let me get you in a better angle. So I think that, I mean, I put a little too much concealer, but it's gonna like wear wear off a little bit and it'll look a little more natural. I do think that helped. I may like kind of pluck a little bit just so it looks a little more natural right here. Let's do that. Then I think I want to kind of curl it and see how I like it curled. Because I have the shorter version of this wig, the bob. I may put it on because I've worn it a few times already. And show you guys how that will look too. But I think that helped a little bit. I just put too much concealer right there, but it's gonna like wear off and it'll start looking a little more, way more natural looking. So let me pluck a little bit. Okay, I think that helped a lot. Okay, let's try and curl. Do like maybe like a light tousled kind of wave and see how that goes. This is the wig kind of like styled a little bit. You see I did the plucking a little bit of the line here and did put my concealer, and I did like some kind of like natural waves because I wanted to do like a cute wavy look. Now I'm also thinking that I do not want to color this wig. I'm going to color another one that I have with some blonde lights, but I kind of like the darkness of this wig. I love it now. At first I was like a little bit scared because it was looking a little wiggy. But with any wig you have to style it, so style it to fit your face. So now I am actually obsessed. I love it. I love it so much. I love this wig. I mean, $199 is pricey, but I feel like if it's gonna last you forever, basically, like, I think it's a good investment. I'm no longer going to be investing into synthetic wigs. That is not my life anymore. Human wigs it is. Like, this is a good starter wig for anyone that's wanting to start out into human wigs. I think this is a good company or brand to do that with. I love this wig so much. Okay, I'm gonna film some more videos, so if you like more hair, fashion, beauty videos, please subscribe. I also have a new filming schedule, so I film I upload every Tuesday and Thursdays and sometimes Sundays. So don't forget to subscribe. We're almost to 500 subscribers, so we're getting closer to that giveaway. So be sure to subscribe and like the video and comment down below what else you want. What else you would like me to see or review or no. Oh my god, I can't talk. So be sure to comment down below what other videos you want me to film or what you want to see, or what other clothes or wigs or makeup I should review. Let me know down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh shit.